welcome back to my channel. My name is Christina, and in this week's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a delicious skinny banana loaf. If you like it and you decide to make it, don't forget to tag me in your pictures. I would love to see them. And if you like the video and you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe and tap that little bell, because that way you get notifications every week when we put the videos up. I hope you're staying safe. Until next time, go right ahead. So, skinny banana loaf. Ingredients. I'm going to use rapeseed oil. You can replace it with butter, 75 milliliters. Mixed spice will be about a tablespoon, and baking powder about a tablespoon. And then optional, I'm going to use 75 grams of pecans. You can use mixed nuts. This is 50 grams of wholemeal flour, 2 eggs slightly beaten, 200 grams of almonds. I'm gonna have to ground them and transform them into milk, and then 3 ripe banana mashed up with a fork. Going to use a loaf tin, put some baking paper in it, and the oven is preheating at 180. So I will start by crushing my almonds and then start to mix it all together. So it's out of the oven and it's all cooled down. It's very nice and smells absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoyed, guys. Until next time, take care of yourselves.